Welcome! This video will explain the different methods to submit paperwork to your rep through the Client Portal. There are 3 methods to submit your paperwork. You can manually attach your documents to an invoice one by one. You can upload a zip file containing a large batch of supporting paperwork. And you can also do a bulk document upload of a single PDF file which contains multiple pages of documents for multiple invoices. Let's assume that you've watched the invoice entry training videos and you've already entered your invoices into the Client Portal. Our demonstrations will start with the step where you are submitting the supporting paperwork. Typically, you have at least 3 documents for each invoice: a bill of lading, a rate confirmation sheet, and a signed proof of delivery. You might also have additional paperwork like scale and lumper receipts. In our first example, you will attach each piece of paperwork to an invoice one by one. This is the same method you will use if you are using the mobile Client Portal on your phone or tablet. From the invoice entry screen, go to the invoice you've entered and click on the paperclip. You'll be taken to the page where you attach your documents. In the description box, tell your rep what type of document you are attaching to your invoice. Click Choose File. This will open up your computer and you will choose the individual piece of paperwork that corresponds to the invoice. Click Upload File and move on to the other documents for that particular invoice. You can see each file that you've attached in the area below. If there's an error, click on the red X to delete. When done, click back to Invoice Entry. You can see your invoice here and the number of documents attached by the counter on the paperclip. When done, check the Submit box next to the invoice and then click on Submit Invoice. Next, let's learn how to submit a large batch of documents in a zip file. This method is typically used when you have submitted a large list of invoices by spreadsheet. Most TMS systems will allow you to export your supporting paperwork into a single zip file, with each invoice's paperwork named after the invoice number. If you need to create your own zip file, there are detailed instructions in the Client Portal. Let's take a look at one example of a zip file. Here we have a single zip. When we open it up, you will notice there are several PDFs inside, and the name of each of these files is the same as the invoice number of the invoices we had previously imported from our spreadsheet. All we have to do is upload the zip file into the Client Portal, and WinFactor will automatically match the documents to their invoices based on the invoice number. Let's see how it's done. Go to the invoice entry screen. Click Upload Invoice Documents zip file. Choose File. This will open up your computer and you will select your zip file. Click Upload Zip File with Documents. The portal is going to open up your zip file and try to match the document files to the invoices. If there are documents that do not match an invoice, they will not be imported. Click Attach Matching Documents to Invoices. On the invoice entry screen, you can now see all the invoices that have supporting paperwork that are ready to be submitted. A click of the checkbox indicates that you want to submit that invoice with the attached paperwork. Click Submit Invoices. That's it. You can see the 3 invoices that did not have paperwork attached that we did not submit are still waiting in this area here to have their documents attached. Now, the last method of submitting paperwork is by doing a bulk document upload. This is when you bundle and scan many pages of multiple invoices all in one large PDF file. To do a bulk document upload, click on Bulk Document Upload on the menu on the left. In the description box, provide some information to your rep about the invoices that these documents support. Choose File. Select the large PDF file, then click Upload File. You did it! You have learned the 3 different methods of submitting your supporting paperwork through the Client Portal. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please contact your rep.